Your next question comes from Ming Sun Lee from Bank of America. Please go ahead.
Hi. Thank you, William and the Adrian team. So I also have two questions. So first question is regarding the overseas market. Do you expect NIO to enter the new countries this year? Will you cooperate with more local distributors in other overseas market, or you will maintain the direct sales business model? Also, do you have any overseas sales target for this year?
Thank you for the question. Regarding the global market or international markets, at the moment, we will still primarily focus on the Chinese market as it is the largest and also the most competitive market for the automotive industry. But in the meantime, we will not stop our exploration into the international market. So far, we have already entered 5 European countries, and we will keep refining our operations and management in these 5 European countries. And this year, we are also planning to enter into several new countries, for example, UAE, as we are invested by the Abu Dhabi's strategic investors. So we are also preparing for the market entry and the sales and the service in that market. For the other countries, we are more waiting and to see the development of the conditions, and strategic-wise, we will also become more flexible because there are 2 major changes. The first change is that as we will soon have our mass market brand, and the next year we are going to announce our 3rd brand, the price will be below 200,000 RMB, which means that with all 3 brands combined, we will be able to cover larger market with more segments. Because NIO as a brand primarily focus on the premium segments, basically China, US, and Europe. These 3 continents contribute 90% of the sales of the premium segment. But for our 2nd and 3rd brands, as they are more affordable, they will be standing a bigger chance of tapping into a more diversified markets and in more regions. So our global market entry will also take these 3 brands into consideration. And the second change is regarding our strategy entering into each market. At the moment in China and in 5 European countries, we adopt the direct selling model. And in China, we will continue to have the direct sales with direct touch points with users. But for the other markets outside of China, we need to respect the local conditions and also the special characteristics of each market. In that case, we will keep our strategy very flexible and very open. We will look at which way will be bringing us quicker return on investment. We don't exclude any possibilities of cooperating with local partners for the market entry. So in general, we will have a very flexible and a very open strategy towards markets outside of China.